In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar settings and find the sharing options for a specific calendar. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. Make sure the calendar page has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main layout. On the left-hand side, you'll find the panel that lists your available calendars. This is where you can manage each calendar individually, so take a moment to locate the one you want to work with before moving on. Once you've found the correct calendar in the left panel, move your mouse over its name. When you hover over it, additional options will appear. Look for the three-dot menu next to that calendar. This menu gives you access to more specific controls for that individual calendar, including customization, permissions, and sharing settings. Click the three dots, and from the menu that opens, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you directly to the settings page for that specific calendar. If you manage multiple calendars, it's a good idea to double-check that the calendar name shown on the settings page matches the one you intended to edit. That helps prevent changes from being made to the wrong calendar. After the settings page opens, scroll down through the available options until you reach the section labeled Share with Specific People or Groups. This is the area where you can review and manage who has direct access to that calendar. Depending on your setup, you may need to scroll a bit since the settings page includes several categories for permissions, notifications, and general calendar details. As you scroll, keep an eye on the section title so you don't accidentally pass it. Once you arrive at Share with specific people or groups, you'll be in the right place to continue managing calendar sharing as needed. This section is especially useful when you want to give access only to selected individuals or teams instead of sharing the calendar more broadly. And that's it. You've successfully opened Google Calendar, accessed the settings for a specific calendar, and navigated to the sharing section where specific people or groups can be managed. If you're following along, take your time with each click and make sure you're selecting the correct calendar before making any changes.